Did you know you can create a beautiful 3D animated kids story like this?
Timmy, stay close to the pond and don't wander far.
Okay, Mama.
Hi everyone, welcome to Tech World with Preet. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I created this kid's moral story, Timmy the Turtle Who Got Lost, using AI tools. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own animated story. Alright, let's start with step 1, creating our story idea. Now this is where the magic begins, and it's honestly the easiest part. All I do is open ChatGPT and type something super simple like kids' moral story ideas for a turtle, and boom, within seconds, I get a list of amazing story ideas, each one with a different lesson and adventure. Now here's the fun part. You don't have to overthink anything, just scroll through the ideas and pick the one that feels interesting to you. For me, this one instantly caught my attention. Timmy the Turtle Who Never Listened. Alright, now that we have our story idea, it's time to turn it into a full story. And trust me, this is where things get really exciting. Now in step 2, let's generate our full story with a detailed scene-by-scene breakdown using ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is simply copy the story idea we selected, and this time I give it a slightly detailed prompt. Create a full kids moral story. But wait, here's the secret to getting amazing results. Don't just ask for a story, ask for everything you need for your video. So in the prompt, I also mention give me characters, visual descriptions, actions in each scene, dialogues for each scene, and even the number of scenes. ChatGPT generates a complete story with a scene-by-scene breakdown ready for animation. Now comes the most exciting part. Step 3, creating our visuals using AI. This is where we use Whisk AI to generate our images. First, I simply go to Google, type Whisk AI and log in using my Google account. Once I'm inside, I select the image generation option. Now before generating images, we need prompts. So I go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create image prompts for each scene we generated earlier. And just like that, it gives me detailed prompts for every single scene. Now I copy those prompts. And here's a very important tip. Always include your character details in the prompt. This helps keep your characters consistent across all images. Now just click generate and boom, we instantly get 2 amazing images. And yes, it's completely free. Just pick the one you like the most. Found your favorite image? Just click on download and it's saved instantly. Now it's time to take things to the next level. Welcome to step 4, where our images finally turn into real animated videos. For this, we're using Google Flow AI. Just go to Google, type Flow AI, or access it directly from Whisk AI using the Explore Flow option. Log in with your Google account, and you're ready to create. Now here's what makes this tool really powerful. It uses advanced models like Veo 3.1 to generate high-quality videos. You can also choose how many versions you want, X1, X2, or X4, meaning 1, 2, or 4 video variations. And depending on your content, you can select the format 9 to 16 for shorts, 16 to 9 for YouTube videos. Now here's the cool part. You'll see options for start and end frames. This is where you upload your images to guide the video. Next, we need a prompt. Let me show you an example with scene 3. So we go back to ChatGPT and generate a JSON video prompt for each scene. Now copy that prompt, paste it into Flow, and just click Generate. Within seconds, your scene transforms into a cinematic video. And just like that, We've brought our story to life with animation. Now we're at the final step, where everything comes together. In step 5, we use Microsoft Clipchamp to edit our video. I've already installed Clipchamp. Just search for Clipchamp, launch it, log in, and now let's jump straight into editing our video. Once you're inside, click on Create a new video. Now click on Import Media and upload all your video scenes in one place. And boom, all your clips are instantly ready. Just drag, arrange, and start building your final animated story. Now it's time for one of the most important steps, adding subtitles. Subtitles make your video super engaging and help everyone follow the story, especially kids. On the right side of Clipchamp, you'll see the Captions tab. Click on that and then select Generate Auto Captions with AI. This will automatically create subtitles synced perfectly to the video. Once the captions are generated, you can still customize them. Pick bright, fun colors, choose playful fonts, adjust the size for easy reading. Make sure each subtitle matches the timing with the scenes. This keeps your story smooth, magical, and super engaging. With subtitles added, your video is now ready to wow kids and parents, and it's set to go viral. Now we're at the final step, exporting your video. Click the export button at the top right, choose 1080p for the best quality, and make sure your clips and subtitles are perfectly in place. Then just hit export, and in a few seconds your animated kids video is ready.
Timmy, stay close to the pond and don't wander far.
Okay, Mama.
Wow, those butterflies are beautiful. I just want to see where they go. Oh no, where is the pond?
Watch the complete video on my channel, Tech World with Preet. The link is in the description below. And just like that, from idea to animation, your story is complete. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe to join the fun on Tech World with Preet. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.